how to manage users on your memorial, including the different roles and how to invite family members to edit your memorial. So you start by opening your memorial. You click on the edit button, and then at the top right hand side you select manage users. So once after selecting manage users, it brings you to this page. So this is where you control who can help you manage your memorial. Yes, so on this page we have different types of users. We have the admin, we have the assistant, and then we have the guest. So let's take a look at these three roles. So once you invite someone as an admin, they are going to have full control of the memorial you have created. So they can edit all these sections, they can approve content, and they can also invite a user, or they can remove users. So because of how important this role is, it is suitable to give access to family members or one of the main persons responsible for creating this memorial. Yes, so that is it for the admin. So we move on to the next one, which is the assistant. So once you invite someone to be an assistant on your memorial, they can help add and update content such as the photos, that's the photos in the media gallery, and the stories. Also, they can also help you edit the family details. So they can help you add photos, they can help you add stories, family details, and then the event information or the funeral information, which is under this section. Yes, so one thing about assistants are that they can help you submit or manage content, but then they cannot manage users. So assistants cannot invite users or they cannot remove users. So this role also works well for family relatives or members. Then we go to the final role, which is the guest. So if you invite someone as a guest, they are going to have limited access. So they can only view the memorial you have created if invited. And also what they can do is to submit tributes or content for approval. But then they do not have the access to edit these details, the details you've placed under these sections, these various sections. Guests cannot edit them. Yes, so because of how restricted or limited this particular rule is, it is suitable for friends or some members of the extended family or people who did not really play an integral part of creating the memorial. Yes, so that's for the guest. So now let's see how to invite someone. So before you invite someone or to invite a new user, first you need to add their name. You type in their names here, and then you type in their email here. So after typing in their email in this search box, you choose any of these three options, any of these three roles. So maybe you are inviting the person to be an admin or an assistant or a guest. You choose one of them. So after you choose one of them, they will receive an email with instructions on how to join the memorial or have access to the memorial. Yes, so once the setup is complete, once they receive the email on how to join, and then they come and then do whatever they have to do here, you can change their role or remove access. Yes, so there is an option. I wanted to add my email and stuff, but then I did a first video and then YouTube took it down. So had it not been that, I would have showed you how it is going to appear. Yes. So once the setup is complete, you remove their access. Yes, so you remove the access. You can choose to let them stay, but then rather change their roles from, let's say, an assistant to a guest, or maybe from a guest to any of these two roles here. Yes, so that is how to manage users on Ghana Memorial. Thank you for watching.